Hello and welcome back to my channel. We're going to start with the cream because that's really the heart of this dessert. In my bowl, I'm adding 2.5 cups of heavy cream. To that, I'm adding half a cup of powdered sugar. This gives it just the right amount of sweetness without being overpowering. Then I add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract because vanilla always makes desserts taste more complete. Now, I'm also adding half a cup of Biscoff spread directly into the cream. Yes, straight in. No hesitation. Once everything is in the bowl, I start mixing. You want to whip this until it turns into a stiff whipped cream, not sauce peaks, not runny. When you lift the mixer, it should hold its shape. This part is important, so don't rush it. Once the whipped cream is nice and thick, I add 1 packet of cream cheese. And listen, Philadelphia cream cheese only. I'm not debating this. It's smoother, it blends better, and the flavor is just right. I mix that in until everything is completely smooth. No lumps, no streaks. You want this cream to look thick, silky, and almost fluffy. Now comes the fun part, the layering. I start with a layer of Biscoff cookies at the bottom of my dish. I lay them flat, breaking them if I need to, just to make sure the bottom is fully covered. Next, I melt some Biscoff spread in the microwave for a few seconds, just enough to make it smooth and pourable. I drizzle that right over the cookies, letting it sink into all the little cracks. After that, I add a generous layer of the cream mixture and spread it evenly across the top. Nice and smooth. Don't rush it. This is what gives the dessert that clean, layered look. Then I repeat the process. Cookies, melted Biscoff spread, cream, layer by layer, building it up until the dish is full. Once I reach the top, I finish with one last layer of cream. Then I pour the melted Biscoff spread around the top, letting it naturally drip and settle. For the final touch, I take some plain Biscoff cookie spread, not melted, and gently spread it across the top. This gives it that rich, glossy finish that just looks so good once it's chilled. Now, this part takes patience. I place it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. That's the sweet spot. It allows the cookies to soften perfectly and all the flavors to come together. But listen, if you absolutely cannot wait, 3 hours minimum, and you can still enjoy it. Just know it gets even better the longer it sits. And that's it. Simple ingredients, no baking, creamy, rich, and full of that deep Biscoff flavor in every single bite. If you make this, don't say I didn't warn you. This dessert disappears fast.